Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you're new to the channel, my name is D, and you are now watching New Touch Auto. This video clip here, we're gonna pretty much base this one around change, the options to change. Now, I had a customer, right? They brought me their vehicle, Chevy Traverse. Had the basic package, white paint, chrome trimming, regular stock wheels. Basic, right? So they was like, let me get the tactical green, you know, kind of make it look different. Let's see how that look. Then a few days later, they had the options to do what? Change their color. They went with that super marine blue. And they did some other things too. Y'all check out the rest of this video. So that concludes the end of the video. And what I like to do in the end is pretty much take you on a tour and show you exactly what I did to this vehicle. Big change. Let's go. Super marine blue, laced with the dip armor. Front grille, satin black, permanent finish. Everything in the black is permanent finish. Headlights and tail lights, light smoke. Rims, satin black. Chrome trimming around the windows, satin black, and we work our way around to these tail lights. Same finish, light smoke. Change, right? Change can be a beautiful thing, especially when it looks like that right there. You don't have to look basic. Change it up. Now listen, for those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to hit that subscribe button below. For those who have, I really appreciate it. Y'all know I appreciate that, right? That support takes me a long way. Now, I'll catch y'all on the next video.
Ah.